Creating Facebook ads used to take hours, hunting for the right images, tweaking layouts, agonizing over copy. But what if you could cut that process down to minutes by using a completely free tool? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through Vengage's free AI Facebook ad generator and show you exactly how to create professional, high-converting ad creatives fast. And whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a marketer juggling multiple campaigns, or just someone who wants better-looking ads without the design headache, this demo is for you. And by the end, you'll know how to go from a blank canvas to a polished, ready-to-publish ad creative in a fraction of the time that it would normally take. So, on that note, let's get started. First things first, you could get started with the AI Facebook ad generator for free. Just visit the link in the video description below and that'll take you to the ad generator homepage. From here, if you click the sign up for free button in the top right corner, you can create a free Venngage account by either entering your name, email, and creating a password, or you can connect via a Google account. But either way, once you sign up, you'll be taken through some quick onboarding questions and you'll be able to access the AI Facebook ad generator. So, to get started, from the Venngage AI Facebook ad generator homepage, again, you can access this page by visiting the link in the video description below. And from here, click the Generate with AI button, and that will take you to the Create with AI prompt page. Now, if you signed up for a free account and you ended up on a different page during the onboarding process, let me show you how to get to this exact spot so you could follow along and generate ads with AI. So, as always, make sure you're in the Design AI tab. And then from here, switch over to the Create with AI interface and select Social Media. Then you could select a specific social media network to create ads for, but Banner is a generic option that will still be applicable to multiple networks, and it produces ads that are 3200 by 1800 pixels. All right, on that note, let's generate some Facebook ads with AI. Okay, in this example, we're creating some Facebook ads to drive traffic to a blog post called 5 Mistakes Killing Your Email List Growth. And again, we're going to be creating 5 variations, each with a different hook. So within the prompt box in the middle of the screen, simply paste or type in your prompt. And then once entered, go ahead and click that arrow button in the bottom right corner to send it to the AI. And that will take us to the Venngage editor where the AI gets to work creating our ads. On the left, you'll see the AI Designer panel. This is where the AI shows its process and where you can interact with the AI to make edits and configurations, which we'll do in just a bit. For now, it's working through our prompt step by step. Then on the right is the preview, and once it's done generating, this is where you could preview and interact with the content to make edits. And while it builds, let me give you a quick tour of the editor. So first, take a look on the toolbar on the left. You've got your brand kit for your own colors and fonts that you could apply to your ads. There's AI tools for features like improve text and generate AI image, plus templates, text, icons, images, elements, charts, and then your projects. Then on the right, there's a smaller vertical toolbar. This controls page-level actions for your content. From here, you could add additional pages, duplicate a page, delete a page, or move between pages if your content has more than one. Then once the AI finishes, your first ad appears on the canvas. And we got a clean design with an envelope graphic, supporting icons, and the headline in bold text. And I think it looks great, but always check the AI Designer panel on the left. Now it's confirming what it built, but it is asking if we'd like to create the remaining 4 hook variations. And I do. So in the chat box, I'm just going to type, please create 5 separate variations of this ad. And then we'll send that through. And the AI Designer gets back to work, making our second round of ad creative. And this is getting things ready, applying updates and polishing for consistency. And it only took a few moments, but I'm going to fast forward really quick. And when it's done, you'll see all 5 pages in the page panel on the right. And then if you click on each thumbnail, you'll get to see it enlarged in the preview. Each one has its own unique headline, supportive text, and call to action, but they all have a similar, consistent design. They look great. But next, let me show you how to use the editor in the AI Designer to make changes to these ads. Now that the AI has generated all 5 variations, let's look at how to make edits, starting with the text. So within the preview, click on the headline text to select it, and you'll see a blue bounding box appear around it with resize handles, and a text formatting toolbar pops up along the top with options for font, size, bold, italic, alignment, and more. And from here, you can manually edit the text just like you would in any text editor. You can highlight the word, delete it, type something new, etc. For example, here I've changed the headline to say, the 10-minute fix for instant list growth now. Maybe a little too aggressive, but here's where it gets interesting. So instead of tweaking the copy yourself, you can let the AI do it. With the text still selected, if you click the Refine button at the top, this will open a pop-up menu with quick options like shorten, elaborate, more professional, and fix spelling and grammar. However, you could also type a custom instruction in that field at the top to ask the AI to make the edit for you. And in this case, I'm going to ask it to shorten and make it punchier. And then I'll hit enter to send that through. And then the AI designer picks that up and starts working. You could see it evaluating the text and applying changes in the left. And then I'm going to fast forward, but this only took a few seconds. And once it's done, the headline updates to say the 10-minute growth hack. It's a lot shorter, tighter, and more click-worthy. Now, you could also rearrange elements here within the canvas. Simply click and drag it to reposition. For example, here we're moving the headline down a bit to give the design more breathing room at the top. And you could do this with any element on the ad as well, whether it's text, icons, or images. Just drag it where you want it to be. Next, let's edit an image, like this background image. So you could click anywhere on the background to select it. And again, you'll see that border box appear around the entire canvas. And then this time there's a modify button at the top. And if you go ahead and click that, the pop-up AI menu will appear again. And this time I'm going to ask the AI to change the background image so that it's cartoon business people working in an office. And then we'll submit that to the AI designer. And again, it picks up the request and starts working through its process. And after a few moments, the background updates to a cartoon illustration of business people working in an office. The AI has also set the opacity to 0.1 to keep the focus on our headline and CTA. And then in the AI designer panel, you'll see a side-by-side comparison showing the original and modified versions. So you can see exactly what changed. The background now has a completely different feel. It's more human, more relatable, while the headline and CTA still pop. I like it. Then one really cool feature that I love is the brand kit tool that you could access here in the left-hand sidebar. And if you've added your brand kit to your Venngage account, this feature is like magic and will save you so much time. And from here, you could apply your brand colors across the entire ad with just a few clicks. Now, when you initially sign up for Venngage, you are more than likely prompted to create a brand kit. But if you didn't, just click the Add Brand Kit button, and Venngage will walk you through the steps on how to apply your brand kit, which consists of your brand's color palette, typography, and logos. And like I said, once you've added your brand kit to Venngage, you could apply all of that across the entire ad in just a few clicks. So you'll notice options here to shuffle or apply different color palettes, and if you click through them, Venngage instantly updates the design in real time. This makes it incredibly easy to preview different looks and quickly settle on something that feels right for your brand in seconds. You could also manage your brand fonts here as well. Venngage lets you define which fonts should be used for headings, subheadings, and paragraph text. And once those are set, the ad automatically updates to match. That means your typography stays consistent across the entire design, which is something that usually takes a lot of manual work in the traditional design tools. Now, if you've uploaded logos, icons, or brand images to your brand kit, those are accessible here as well, and you could quickly drop them in the ad, swap them out, or reuse them across multiple designs. This is especially helpful if you're creating ads regularly and you want everything to stay visually consistent from one design to the next. And the big takeaway here is speed and consistency. The brand kit lets you go from a generic AI design to something that looks fully on brand in seconds. Also, you will need to apply the brand kit to each individual ad, but either way, this is a huge time saver and keeps your projects consistent. Now, I'm actually not going to use my brand kit in this example, so if you want to revert back to an original design, simply click the undo arrow at the top of the screen, and you can manually undo your changes. Also, whenever you need to access your AI designer, simply click this little robot icon in the bottom left corner, and this will open the chat functionality where you can continue collaborating with the AI to make changes. All right, once you're happy with your design, it's time to export. All right, once you're done designing your ads, you'll want to export and download them so you could use them in your social campaigns. So From the upper right corner of the editor, click the download icon. And in a few moments, a dialog box opens with a few tabs. There's Share, Download, and Embed. Make sure you're on the Download tab. And then at the top, select Pages. And then you could choose All to export every variation at once, or select Custom to select specific pages to export. Then choose your format. You've got PNG, PNG HD, PDF, PowerPoint, and email HTML. And for Facebook ads, I recommend going with PNG HD. It gives you high resolution images that are ready to upload straight into your Facebook Ads Manager and your other social campaigns. So I'm going to select that and then click the download button, and Venngage will package all 5 variations into a single zip file, so you'll have every ad ready to go in one download. And that's how easy it is to create stunning Facebook ad creatives using Vengage's free AI Facebook ad generator. As you just saw, you don't need to be a designer or spend hours in complicated software to produce ads that actually look professional and grab attention. So if you're tired of spending too much time and money on ad design, give Venngage a try, and I'll leave a link in the video description below so you could start creating your own ads right away. And if this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. Helps me keep the channel going. And if you want to get more tips on using AI tools to level up your marketing, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Also, drop a comment and let me know how you're using Venngage. I'd love to hear about it. So on that note, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.